there's a big old fat bass right there. Oh my gosh, he was right there. He's swimming back in. Let's see if we can get his attention. What is going on, aquatic adventure friends and fam? We're here at the Lakewood RV Resort. I try to not do that again because that was pretty awful, throwing into the wind. Need some weights and a new rod. That's what I need, because apparently this one is broken. I'll be fixing this tonight. I'm not gonna catch anything like this, am I? I haven't been fishing in a while, guys. I feel like I need to go on a shopping spree and buy a whole bunch of new crap, because this stuff is old as dirt. Well, we keep getting as many hits as we're getting right now, which is 0. We're gonna go to oh, there we go. There's one. It's like a little bluegill. Oh, that's a good size bluegill. Look at that guy. Look at this guy. How about that? Huh. Look at her. Just look at her. Hold on, fella. How about that guy? Good looking little fella. Go back out, go on. Do it again. Well, see what else we can get. See if we can find us a largemouth out here somewhere. Yeah, boys, we're going to get a new rod and reel tonight. Let's see what it does out there. Well, we broke the ice and now we're not going to get anything. I have to go to Texas riggers. Go out the end, see if we can get out there with them bait fish we're at. Yeah, may have to go to the Texas rig. Some folks doing some catfishing over there. Doing the same thing I'm doing, catching the daggone thing. What do you guys like catching? Like the largemouth. Saw something just hit it. Gone. Right along that bank over there into that shade. I think I'm at a 1 bluegill count, and that's it. That's the end of it. If you guys are in Roanoke, there's a tournament Friday from 7 p.m. to midnight at Carvin's Cove. That tournament benefits Relay for Life, so it's a win-win. First place, I think, is a $300 gift card at Sportsman's Warehouse and a membership to the Cove. Second's $200 gift card, and third's a $100 gift card. If you're in Roanoke, come on out, y'all. It's gonna be fun. Ooh. How many look today, fellas? They're not, let's go try in the shade over. Let's go over there and see what's happening. Get the hooks. I'm gonna get my girly pliers out and we're gonna do it that way. You're too little, I can't get my hands in your mouth, and you're just wiggling around everywhere. You little guy, you're just a little guy. You're just a little guy. There you go. See how easy that was? Poor little fella. Let's take a picture of you anyways, just because just so everybody knows where the rest of you is at. It's out there. You gotta, thanks for playing there. I appreciate you. Go on now. What do you guys think about that? That'd have been dandy on a sushi roll, huh? I don't like sushi, that's gross. Do you guys like sushi? Leave a comment down below. Actually, at this stage of the game, just leave a comment about anything. How bad this video sucks, or what I'd like, what do I need to do different? What do you guys like? Are you kidding me? Oh, big jumper. Got a big J. Look, he's barely bigger than the last one. Look at him. This guy thought he was gonna do something today, but he's going in my frying pan. Just kidding, he's not going in the frying pan. This is catch and release only, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not even hooked. You're not even hooked in the lip, bro. He's a little bit bigger. Not much at all. This guy, you're going places there, fella. You're on your way. Hey, if you just keep getting bigger and bigger with each one, that's a win in my book, you know? And hey, look, he took himself off. Hey, look, here, fella. Get back in there. This is the spot over here. And I'm hoping Friday will catch something bigger than these guys, because this is insanity. If we don't catch anything bigger than those guys on Friday, we ain't getting no prize. It's gonna be a all expense paid trip back home, and all expenses are paid by us. You know, usually little ponds like this, man, you can just slay them. I like, where do you guys like to go fishing? My favorite place, if I can't be in the salt water, my favorite place to go is little country farm ponds. And those things are always loaded because nobody hardly ever fishes them. So nobody's taking anything out of them. And it's just magic. Ooh, there's a big old fat bass right there. Oh my gosh, he was right there. He's swimming back in. Let's see if we can get his attention. I'm not gonna lie, man. If I hook something decent, this rod's probably gonna break. There's one. Oh, he's a monster. Oh, he's a giant. Look at, oh, he's got to be at least a 12-pounder. Look at him. Holy crap! Look at him. Oh my goodness! Look at him go. Hey, big fella. Did I just catch you a minute ago? Look at that. I swear it's the same one. You gotta be, look at this. Look at this, I caught bait. Isn't that ridiculous? See this, guys. Look at this. Here. Dang. Get well soon. Get well soon. You know what I'm saying? If you like catching bait, you're gonna love the fish in here. I'm sure there's some whoppers. Some whoppers. You know, we never did find clock. I don't even know if I'm recording right now. I think I am. Am I? I'm not even sure where I'm at anymore, bro. I don't know what these cats is doing, but I'm not doing what they're doing. You know, if you just slip it by them enough, it'll piss them off and they'll eat it just out of hate. What is the biggest fish you guys have ever caught? We caught a 30-pound black tip off of a pier in Nag's Head, which is in North Carolina and the Outer Banks, and just a great place to fish. Look, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back over here. This is the hot spot, kind of, if you like catching cut bait. The only bad thing about this lure, really, is that you gotta use it at the right time. I don't think I'm using it at the right time. I'll tell you what, right after a good rainstorm though, man, this thing will slay them. All right, yeah, so my GoPro battery died yesterday, and that was freaking awesome because I didn't bring any more with me. Anyways, I never caught that big bass. Go figure. My kids are driving me nuts. Anyways, oh look, mom's home, yay! Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how I can make these videos better. Until next time, we'll holler at you later.